Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I'm actually here hoping to find the ghost mug, and they've already started putting out their winter wear. Beautiful scarves, really nice quality. There are some new gloves, mitts, and hats that are much thicker than previous years, and they feel, I guess, just better quality overall. You know, sometimes there's really thin material, and this year they just seem to have a nicer quality. Have you tried the LED projector light? There are a few costume pieces here and some newer to me Halloween finds, like these larger tins. I've never seen these. They look like they light up as well. Yes, there's some newer costume pieces. These I think have been available in previous years, so they've started putting out Christmas, but here on this island I don't specifically spot anything new. So we're just in the Halloween aisle because I am hoping to find a couple things here. Lots of ribbon, and they have the velvety type, and then these, the print, which I think I should grab. Yeah, I think I should grab this one. I've seen it a few times and I'm like, oh, I don't know. But I love the little candy corn print on it. Yeah, it's so interesting. Like every store has different things, different stickers, different crafts. These are gorgeous. Dahlias, are they? Dahlia? Is that how you say it? The flower. These are awesome. There's 10 canvas pieces in here. Lots of bones and little bone hands. Now this wreath frame or form is really, really large. Like you can see how much space it took up here, even on their display. Are these from last year? These are actually really nice baskets, and then there are little candles here. I think that they had a variety of scents for fall. These jars are really large. I mean, they're a medium size, of course, but for what I was hoping to do, I thought they would look adorable, filled with the little candy corn or a mix of the pumpkin candy as well. But anyways, just to give you an idea, or the marshmallows would be cute. Like, and then you can put it in a setup for, oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna have to grab some chocolate. You can do like a hot cocoa bar or something like that. And these mugs would be perfect for a hot chocolate setup, or even the hot cocoa bombs, I think they're called. You can fill these with all sorts of things. I'm actually surprised these are still sitting on the shelf. These are glass with a glass straw, but they flew off the shelf, unless they were just restocked, but they flew off the shelf at some of my local Dollar Trees. Resin, I think it's called. I have never seen these. They're really mini. I don't think I'm gonna find that ghost mug. So this is the skull mug, and it was really popular with the ghost mug. I don't know if you can see, this is like a velvet finish, and they're pricey everywhere else. So if you find them here at Dollar Tree and you want to use them and incorporate them into your decor, these are so cute. I've seen some people making a little disco themed spider. So Christmas is in full swing set up, and I just wanted to share with you that these are going to sell so fast because people make the little cams and different ornaments, DIY ornaments, custom ornaments. So just be mindful, if you're looking for them, buy them now, because I guarantee they won't be on the shelf when you come back to Dollar Tree if you decide to pass up on them. These are cute too, and you can paint them and make them into real like gingerbread looking goodies. Are these new this year? No, I think we saw them last year. We have a couple round wreaths, so be mindful if you want the larger or smaller one. And then star wreath. It's a little candy cane wreath being used for swag making. And we saw these a couple weeks ago when Christmas started showing up on the shelf. They look like they're already starting to sell. Little bells, perfect for making ornaments. Years ago, when the kids were little, we were in Florida and they had these. They were so expensive at their little market, but they loved them. We played with them on the beach. Of course, don't leave them behind, but there are some bubbles here. Anyways, they did work and wind up really well and kept them entertained for quite a while, and they light up, so they were just fun. Here's some Crayola chalk. Lots of different things for those who like Lego. They have the Lego boards and then little figurines. They also have some costume pieces in here too, and then Playhouse, like the little broom. These are amazing if you want to repurpose them and make them into gingerbread houses. They spray paint well, or even acrylic paint them, and then just do your little white designs. Have you spotted the little viral ducks? So there's a little end cap here with cookie die cutters. These are metal, and then they have different shapes. Lots of cupcake holders, cupcake liners, and then they have sprinkles. I like these ones because they have the flat sprinkles. These seem to have sold everywhere else because I haven't seen them anywhere. I have been obsessed with checking the party aisle here at Dollar Tree because they keep putting out new things. So these balloons are so cute. They're not helium, so you just fill them yourself with the little, comes with a little straw. But I'm going to grab the silver for New Year's. And then I'm hoping to find gold, because if I keep looking at the different Dollar Trees, I'm sure I'll find different things in different places. Anything new and exciting in your party aisle? Halloween and Christmas. Just spotted all of the Christmas floral has been put out, so I'm going to share with you. Those I'm going to grab for you in a second. They're like a velvety. I'll just see if there's any down here because it might be easier, but they have lots of neutrals. All their fall stuff is here. Then we went already through some of the Halloween things. However, there are a little bit more Halloween items to show you. And then I just wanted to share that these floral picks are so beautiful. They look much higher quality than what you typically see here at Dollar Tree. They have like a velvet finish. So there's an end cap here, and you can see they have some more of these skull heads, and there's the two colors, so it's green and black. What do you guys do with these little decor pieces? This little pumpkin, little witch. That's about it. I think that's in there. And part of that collection is the little witch hat. I think it's so cute. There's light up decor, pumpkins, and there's the light and sound decor. They make a loud noise. I didn't see this. It's cute. Giant bats, and then some of the signs. One thing I absolutely love about going into a Dollar Tree that I don't frequently go into is going in their craft aisle, just because I always find things that I don't know that my local Dollar Trees don't carry or don't have, or maybe have sold out of. I'm not sure, but I always love carefully going down this aisle, especially the stickers and just craft specific items. It's very retro. I've noticed that Dollar Tree started carrying Forever and Time items again, like specifically stocking them. So that makes me happy. Lots of wood beads here, which you see pretty much everywhere. These are plastic, but how nice would they be if they were glass? But they're still great. Like, you can use them for different things, storing paintbrushes, etc. Has anyone tried these with kiddos outdoors? Just like wetting them and using them as outdoor, like on a fence to create prints with water? I'm wondering if they would work well. Because you can give them paintbrushes and then little foam stamps. These are great. I'm thinking of doing a DIY with these rings, but I'm not sure entirely yet. No, I haven't seen this stuff in a while. Is this new print? I always like finding fabric. I love finding good fabric here. I think these are new prints with Mickey. Foam wreath. I've done something really cute for fall with that. I'll link it at the bottom of my description in case you want to make it. It turned out really nice. I've actually kept it for the years and bring it out. Yeah, you can use the back, see? Repurpose this into your own sign. Lots of wood here. Lots and lots. This one's not the same. Yeah, these are like MDF, compressed cardboard. There is so much wood here, and the metal pieces, if you're into metal decor, they have quite the variety. And these are cute too to make a sign. Okay, I am so excited to have found this here. These are glittery, and they're just beautiful to do like a Halloween tablescape. I think these are new. I'm in the treat aisle, I guess the food treat aisle more so than the food aisle. I've never spotted those before. Does anyone like the cottage country popcorn? Is it like Colonel's? Is that the brand? Yeah, I think Colonel's popcorn. Lots of cute little novelty things here. Big bags of marshmallows. Are these new at Dollar Tree? I don't recall ever seeing these plug-in air fresheners. And these are like a silicone thing on it too. What else is here? I always like taking a look at the bath accessories. Bath and shower. And cute for a kiddo. Even just to keep them busy in the tub. These are the viral item that everyone is after at Dollar Tree that mimics Glow recipe, I believe. I'm not sure. There's also like a lip mask. I don't know if this mimics Glow recipe as well. These are new and they're giant foil balloon for helium. These little disco balls would be a perfect little addition to a gift or into a stocking stuffer. So cute. This. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now. Summer is ended. The leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow. Soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn.
Autumn comes too soon.